Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file a case, updated. Start by gathering your case documents, party details, and any filing fees before you log in. Create an account on the court portal and verify your email to enable filings. Use clear file names and consistent document order to avoid rejection. Double-check contact information and payment methods, and save confirmation receipts for your records. Begin by converting all documents to PDF and naming each file clearly with the case name and document type. Review each PDF for legibility, correct page order, and any required signatures or stamps. Use the court's preferred templates for covers and forms where available to meet formatting rules. Redact private data like social security numbers, and keep a separate unredacted master file for your records. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future updates. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free help to your workspace, making long filing sessions more pleasant and efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When you upload, choose the correct document type and attach exhibits as directed so the clerk can process your filing without delay. Enter party names exactly as they appear on court records to prevent misfiling. Complete payment using the portal's options and confirm the fee was charged. Download and save the filing receipt and timestamp, and check your email for confirmation to ensure the court received your submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.